good morning to all my viewers over there. Okay, thank you so much. Mega shout out kung saan man kayong party ng mundo. Maraming salamat sa pagdaan nyo sa aking live this morning. Today is Tuesday, July 16. Yes, July 16. This past to go on, we're already in the middle of the month. Yes, thank you, and have a blessed Tuesday morning, mapagpalang araw sa ating lahat, guys. Thank you very much for all of you over there, for the 43 eyes over there watching me right now. Okay, have a blessed morning, mapagpalang araw sa ating lahat. Kung ano man ating ginagawa sa araw na ito, ang Panginoon po ang siyang gagabay sa ating lahat, dahil siya lang po ang nakakaalam sa bawat isa sa atin. So, protection and guidance with our God, with our dearly Creator. Here, every testimony, yes, Ismael Dandaba, Mashallah, Barakallah. Okay, Inshallah. Thank you very much for coming to my live, for my page Sony Blog. Okay, thank you very much to all of you there, sharing my live right now. Thank you, and wassalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum. Yes. Good morning to everyone. Yes. Excuse me because my yes, mapagpalang araw sa ating lahat. Maraming salamat sa inyong mga pagsuporta sa akin araw-araw, guys. Blessed Tuesday morning to all of you over there. Saan man kayong parte ng mundo, ay maraming salamat. Sorry, because always raining here in the Philippines. You know, some parts of the Philippines is already flooding, guys. So, okay, good evening in your country. It's morning time. Okay, so maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat sa panonood at sa pagsuporta niyo po sa aking live ngayong araw na ito. Pagpalain naman kayo ng Panginoon sa bawat oras ng iyong buhay. Naway ang si Allah o si God ang nandiyan na tumutulong sa bawat isa sa atin, kung ano man ang mga kahirapan natin sa buhay, kung ano man ang ating dinaranas sa buhay. God is always there. Just ask God to bless each and every one of us. Dahil wala pong imposible sa Panginoon. Naway nandyan po siya sa ating lahat. Mahal po tayo lahat ng Panginoon, dahil praise the Lord, dahil anak po tayo ni Lord. Anak tayo ng Panginoon. So, mapagpalang araw sa ating lahat. Maraming salamat, guys, for all your support to Sony Blog every day, every morning. Thank you, guys, for coming to my live. Very much thankful to all of you. Okay, have a blessed Tuesday morning to all of us. Thank you, and mapagpalang araw sa ating lahat. God bless us all. Yes.